Okay. Today we decided to make one of our subscribers so happy. Yeah. Congratulations. But first, let me show you the winner of last week.
Thank you by Digital for being legit. I received the book after I commented a lot on your videos, and I'm following the instructions on your book. It's really working. Thanks a lot.
So, this was the winner of last week. But this week we decided to make something special. So we had a subscriber who made almost 1,000 comments on our videos, and he made almost 500 shares on Facebook. Just in Facebook, 500 shares. So as a thank you, we decided to trade in his account. We started with $10. Yes, we deposit $10 in his account, and we will try to make maximum in 10 or 20 minutes. This is his lucky day. Yeah, we wish you good luck, sir. Thank you for the work you put there, all the comments, all the shares, all the work you made to help promote and share this strategy with the whole world. And we wish that you will withdraw the money from this account and buy the course, learn the strategy, and start your new life. We hope you will start a good career in trading. And for those who want to win the course or the book, yeah, if you can't buy the course, which is in the link in the description below, in the course we explain the strategy I'm using in this video and I'm using in all my videos. Yeah, in the course there's an explanation of this strategy, everything about it, the indicators, the rules, the conditions, how to respect timing, everything. You find it in the course in the description below. But if you can't afford buying the course, as always, we will give a free book each week. Each week we will choose one subscriber and we will give him the book for free, so he can learn the strategy and make profit from it. If you can afford this course, buy it, learn it, teach it to your friends, to your family, make profit. And yeah, we hope that this will help you start a new career in trading. Good luck for everybody. And the competition is simple. Comment in these videos and share the videos on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, everywhere. Just share our strategy with the world. And at the end of the week, we will choose another winner. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, about the website. We had some issues with the old website, so we changed the website. Now you can purchase the course, the book, from buynagital.com. Don't buy it anywhere else, just buynagital.com. You will find the course and the book. Purchase it. You will receive a link. You will learn the strategy. Practice it. Please practice a lot on demo accounts. And yeah, about the withdrawal, in the 14th of this month we will withdraw some of our balance, and I will teach you how to withdraw. I will give you some advices. Yeah, you will learn how to withdraw without getting your account suspended. Because be careful, guys, if you withdraw large amount, IQ option will suspend your account. So we will give you some advices about that, and we hope everybody is happy. Okay, I will stop the vocals. I hope you will watch the whole video and have a good time. All right.